I'm Graham Harboard. I'm the Managing Director of Johnson Withers. We have been working in the area of employment law and advising clients for over 60 years. Often I am called upon to advise in relation to issues concerning poor performance or misconduct in the workplace. The process for dealing with each of these matters is quite distinct. In relation to a concern of poor performance, an employer should firstly clearly advise the worker what standards they are not meeting, and secondly should allow them a time frame as to meeting those standards, and if necessary provide them with the resources to do so. It is only after this process has been followed should the employer consider any disciplinary action. In relation to misconduct, however, the process is different. Once an employer is concerned about the conduct of a worker, the employer should investigate the matter and should then clearly put the allegations in writing to the employee. These allegations should contain sufficient detail so that the employee is fully aware of what it is he is alleged to have done wrong. The employer should then set up a meeting with the employee, and the employee should be allowed to bring along a support person to that meeting. If this is not possible, then the employer should at least require the employee to put a response in writing. Once the employer has all the relevant information, the employer should then make a decision as to whether disciplinary action might be required. However, before making that final decision, the employer should ask the employee to provide any matters in mitigation, such as their past good work record, or any other matters which might soften any penalty which could be otherwise imposed. The Fair Work Commission has commented in the past that often employers get the process for dealing with poor performance mixed up with the process for dealing with misconduct. This can have consequences, particularly for an employer where the Fair Work Commission might find that the process for dealing with a matter has in fact been unfair. If you need any further advice about employment matters, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our team of lawyers working on employment matters would be very happy to assist you. Thank you.